What's up, everybody? Day 3 of the quarantine bartender. My crazy kids are running around in this house right now. It's driving me a little crazy, but this is day 3. I'm sure I'll be fine. And saying that if we're gonna make a drink, and everyone is obviously watching what they eat and being very healthy and conscious and what they're putting in their body, there's nothing better, I would say, than an orange crush. A lot of orange juice is going to give you a lot of the vitamin C that you're going to need to survive inside with your family. Anyway, so in saying that, we're going to be making an orange crush. Very simple, very popular. 3 ingredients that are a basic orange crush. An orange vodka. We have Smirnoff again. Emily, you should love me because yesterday somebody was saying how much they wanted the Smirnoff watermelon. So anyway, Smirnoff Orange, which is very good. We have Cointreau, which is an orange flavored liquor. All right. Cointreau is actually pretty expensive. I also have a knockoff. This is about $24 for this bottle right here. This right here is about $7. So it's triple sec, same kind of concept. And then orange juice. Okay. If you don't have a flavored vodka, a regular vodka will do. If you don't have the triple sec, anything orange flavored, or even if you put an actual orange in it, and then of course orange juice. If you want to make it authentic, you'd fresh squeeze the orange juice, but we're just gonna make it really simple and just do this today. All right. So here we go. So hope everybody's doing okay in their quarantine time. A little fun fact for you. Didn't know if anybody knows, but lobster is at an all-time low. The Chinese, during the Chinese New Year, they are known to eat a lot of lobster, and because it was called off, just kind of like what everyone's dealing with right now, there's a big surplus of lobster. So if you do go to the store, get some lobster. Eat some vegetables, have some lobster, stay healthy, and if you unfortunately do get the coronavirus, at least you're having some lobster on the way out. All right, here we go. Orange vodka here. You can't put it in a shaker. I'm just gonna do it right into it and just shake right into the glass. Some people like to shake. If you like to shake it up, actually, you know what? Let me use cheap stuff. We'll be in here for a while. So hold on. Let me see. Where are we? Oh, here we go. Yeah, be just as good. Just as good. All right. A little bit of this. Free pouring like always. Here we go. A little orange juice. Top it off. Really, honestly, to tell you the truth, you can do any kind of crush. If you don't have oranges, you can do pineapple juice. You can do a little bit of cranberry. You can mix something up with it, but this is just the traditional right there. And then for this, I'm going to shake it in the glass. Get it all mixed up. The reason you want to shake juice drinks, because there's no way for them to kind of mix. So you want to mix them yourself. If it's a soda drink, you can actually, or anything with carbonation, you can just put it right in the glass, and it kind of shakes it for you. So, all right, there we go. Those 2 right in there. A little garnish on the side. All right, simple as that. All right, I'll tell you what. Anyone can tell me where these glasses are popular from, and put them in our comment box or respond to it. I'll give you some sort of gift. We'll figure it out. Maybe Emily will be nice enough to give us some stuff from Smirnoff. If not, we'll figure it out. But follow us, like us. Day 3. We've got a couple more days to go. Quarantine bartender. Don't forget, separate. Don't isolate. All right? There you go. Cheers.